thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pecos County in southwestern Texas, east central Reeves County in southwestern Texas, central Ward County in western Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Time. At 3:50 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 19 miles southeast of Pecos, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coinosa, BF Goodrich Testing Track and Imperial Reservoir. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 58 and 60. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western and southwestern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Time for western and southwestern Texas.